Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the coolest gadgets and gear for all your survival needs. Today we're diving into the top 9 coolest gadgets every survival needs, available on Amazon. These gadgets are sure to up your survival game. Let's dive right in. 9. Solphoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool. The Solphoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool is a versatile and indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and emergency preparedness. Engineered with durability and functionality in mind, this compact device packs a plethora of essential tools into a sleek and portable design. At its core, the Solphoenix is equipped with a high-quality stainless steel blade, ensuring reliability and precision for various cutting tasks such as rope, wood, or food preparation. Additionally, its integrated fire starter allows for quick and efficient fire ignition, essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling in emergency situations. But the Solphoenix goes beyond the basics. 8. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a groundbreaking innovation in the field of portable water filtration, designed to provide safe drinking water in even the most challenging environments. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency preparedness kits. At the heart of the LifeStraw is its advanced filtration technology capable of removing 99% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites, surpassing EPA standards for water filtration. This means that even water from lakes, rivers, or streams can be safely consumed without the risk of contracting harmful illnesses such as diarrhea, dysentery, or cholera. The simplicity of the LifeStraw's operation is another key feature. Its hollow fiber membrane filters out contaminants as small as 0.2 microns, ensuring clean and safe drinking water with each sip. The LifeStraw is built to last, capable of filtering up to 1,000 liters, 264 gallons of water before needing to be replaced. 7. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus is a revolutionary camping stove that combines the convenience of portable cooking with sustainable energy generation. At the heart of the Camp Stove 2 Plus is its innovative thermoelectric technology, which converts heat from the fire into usable electricity. This electricity powers a built-in fan that improves combustion efficiency, resulting in a cleaner and more consistent flame. Additionally, excess electricity can be harnessed to charge USB-compatible devices such as smartphones, cameras, and GPS units, making it an essential companion for extended trips into the wilderness. The Camp Stove 2 Plus is not only practical but also environmentally friendly. By using renewable biomass fuel such as twigs, pine cones, or wood pellets, it reduces reliance on fossil fuels and minimizes environmental impact. Furthermore, BioLite is committed to sustainability, with a portion of the proceeds from every Camp Stove 2 Plus sale supporting clean cooking initiatives in developing countries, providing families with access to safe and efficient cooking solutions. 6. Barnett TS-380 Crossbow. The Barnett TS-380 Crossbow is a high-performance hunting weapon designed for accuracy, power, and reliability. Crafted by one of the leading manufacturers in the industry, Barnett Crossbows, the TS-380 offers a combination of cutting-edge technology and rugged construction to meet the demands of serious hunters. At the heart of the TS-380 is its powerful and efficient cam system, which delivers arrow speeds up to 380 feet per second with a draw weight of 210 pounds. This impressive velocity ensures flat trajectories and high kinetic energy, making it suitable for taking down even the largest game animals with precision and authority. The crossbow's compact and ergonomic design enhances maneuverability in the field, allowing for quick and easy aiming, especially in tight or confined spaces such as tree stands or ground blinds. Its lightweight frame reduces fatigue during extended hunting sessions, while the adjustable buttstock and cheek piece provide a customized fit for maximum comfort and stability. 5. The Atomic Bear Fire Wand. The Atomic Bear Fire Wand is a versatile and innovative fire-starting tool designed to provide reliable ignition in outdoor and emergency situations. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, navigating through survival scenarios, or simply lighting up a backyard barbecue, this compact device offers convenience and efficiency in starting fires. At the core of the Fire Wand is its advanced ferrocerium rod, which generates a shower of sparks when struck with the integrated striker. These sparks easily ignite tinder such as dry leaves, cotton balls, or char cloth, allowing you to quickly and effectively start a fire without the need for matches or lighters. The rod is durable and long-lasting, capable of producing thousands of strikes, ensuring dependable performance in any conditions. What sets the Atomic Bear Fire Wand apart is its multifunctional design. In addition to the ferrocerium rod, it also features a built-in whistle for signaling in emergencies, as well as a serrated edge for scraping and cutting tinder. 4. MyMedic MyFac Large Medical Kit. The MyMedic MyFac Large Medical Kit is a comprehensive and versatile first aid kit designed to meet the needs of individuals, families, and groups in a wide range of emergency situations. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, traveling to remote destinations, or preparing for emergencies at home, this kit provides the essential supplies and equipment to address medical emergencies and injuries effectively. One of the standout features of the MyFac Large Medical Kit is its organization and accessibility. The kit is meticulously organized into labeled compartments and pockets, making it easy to locate specific supplies quickly, even in stressful situations. This thoughtful design ensures that you can respond to emergencies promptly and efficiently, minimizing response time and improving outcomes. Inside the MyFac Large Medical Kit. 3. Knives Attacks Hand Axe. The Knives Attacks Hand Axe is a versatile and innovative tool that combines the functionality of a traditional axe with the versatility of a multi-tool. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and adventurers, the Attacks Hand Axe offers a compact and portable solution for various tasks in the wilderness or everyday situations. At the heart of the Attacks Hand Axe is its durable and high-quality construction. Made from premium materials such as stainless steel and durable polymers, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use and provide reliable performance in any situation. The axe head features a sharp blade for chopping and cutting tasks, while the opposite end incorporates a hammer for pounding and driving tasks. This dual-purpose design makes the Attacks Hand Axe a versatile tool for a wide range of applications, from splitting firewood to setting up camp. 2. Lockhart Tactical Trip Alarm System. The Lockhart Tactical Trip Alarm System is an advanced and reliable security device designed to alert users to the presence of intruders or potential threats in outdoor or remote environments. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, securing a perimeter, or protecting property, this system offers an effective and versatile solution for detecting unauthorized entry or movement. At the core of the Lockhart Tactical Trip Alarm System is its sensor technology, which detects motion or vibration and triggers an alarm when activated. The system typically consists of a sensor unit, a triggering mechanism, and an alarm device. The sensor unit is strategically placed in the area to be monitored, such as a trail, pathway, or perimeter fence. When motion or vibration is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the triggering mechanism, which then activates the alarm device, alerting users to the presence of an intruder. One of the key features of the Lockhart Tactical Trip Alarm System is its flexibility and adaptability. 1. Anker 737 Power Bank. As of my last update in January 2022, there isn't a specific Anker 737 power bank that I'm aware of. However, Anker is a well-known brand for producing high-quality portable chargers, so it's possible that they may have released new models since then. Anker power banks are typically known for their reliability, fast charging capabilities, and durability. They come in various capacities, ranging from small pocket-sized chargers to larger, high-capacity ones suitable for extended trips or charging multiple devices. Some common features you might find in Anker power banks include multiple USB ports for charging multiple devices simultaneously, fast charging technologies such as Power IQ or Quick Charge, LED indicators to show remaining battery life, and durable construction to withstand everyday use. When looking for an Anker power bank, consider factors such as the capacity, mAh, number of charging ports, compatibility with your devices, and any additional features that may be important to you, such as waterproofing or built-in cables. So there you have it. The top 9 coolest gadgets every survival needs. From Amazon. Whether you're planning your next outdoor adventure or preparing for the unexpected, these gadgets are sure to come in handy. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to grab your own. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.